Adewale here with Ajayi Firearms Tactics. This is my follow-up video covering my second competition at Free State Gun Range, hosted by the practical shooting team at Free State. This match had 3 stages, and I've got to say, they were well designed, very challenging, and pushed everybody to bring their A game. The competition level this time was definitely stacked with top-tier shooters, and you can see that all through the match footage. I ended up placing 14th out of 18 shooters. Not the placement I wanted, but honestly, I'm not mad at it. This is part of the process. Every match is a learning opportunity, and competing against high-skilled shooters forces me to grow, adjust, and keep leveling up. Most importantly, I had a great time. I'm learning more with each match, identifying what I need to tighten up, and building confidence stage by stage. The practical shooting team at Free State did an awesome job putting this one together, and I'm already looking forward to the next match. Roll the footage and let me know in the comments what tips, drills, or breakdowns you'd like to see next.
We'll get out of people.
Yeah, we will. Sure, we will. I'm trying to do it.
Range is clear. 1482.
Ready.
2 Alpha, 1 Charlie.
2 Alpha, 1 Charlie.
2 Alpha, 1 Charlie.
2 and 1.
1 Alpha, 2 Charlie.
1 and 2.
3.
3.
All 3 Alpha.
I can do a lateral movement. 3 and 3.
That was a solid one.
All 4. Ready, ready. Stand by. Clear, hammer down, and forward, hammer down, and hold it through. Range is clear. Time, 4058.
410.
Hell yeah. Hey, AJ, you got some good shots in, I believe, man. We gotta go a little bit quicker, brother. Hey, good stuff though.